For millions in Sri Lanka, the most important date on the calendar just moved. If you were planning your travels or spiritual observances around May 1st, 2026, you need to pause and reset your schedule. The government has officially revised the observance of Vesak full moon Poya Day to May 30th, 2026. This isn't just a minor administrative tweak, it is a profound realignment with the lunar cycle that dictates the holiest day for Buddhists worldwide. Vesak marks the birth, enlightenment, and passing of the Buddha. In Sri Lanka, this isn't merely a holiday, it is a week-long immersion of soul-searching and community service. Because the lunar calendar dictates these dates, official state revisions ensure the entire nation observes the sanctity of the full moon in complete synchronization. With the declaration of Vesak Week, the island transforms. Streets glow with intricate lanterns called Vesak Kudu, and the air fills with the scent of incense and dansalas, where locals provide free food to travelers. Whether you are a historian documenting these shifting cultural traditions or a tourist looking to witness the true heart of Sri Lanka,